This weekend, class is in session, so I'm going to be talking about 8 GTCO investment funds every smart investor should have. So, if you're the kind of person who uses GT Bank as your bank or any other bank, I'm just using GT as a reference so that you can now go and check if your own bank have some of these features or options of wealth building that this bank GTCO has. So every smart investor should typically look at owning this. You mustn't own it from GT, like I said, but I want to use GT to give you a breakdown of different ways that this company gives you access to building wealth in different levels. So if you're ready to go on this breakdown, just let me know because money has to be made. Of course, I don't want you to always work, work, work. No matter how crazy or chaotic your expenses are, have a plan to always invest because a day will come when you will not have the energy to work as much as you want. The opportunities will not favor you because of either age or health or anything. And of course, the money you've built should be able to take good care of you because that is what wealth building is all about. It's not about starting with 1 million, it's about understanding what you can do and knowing that every amount of money you put will always get you somewhere. So, if you're ready for this interesting class, let's get started. But first, I just want to talk to you about my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Julia, and on this channel, I show you and teach you how you make your money work for you in a simple way. So if this is the kind of thing you love, then welcome on board. And of course, do not forget to subscribe, like this video. Please watch this video to the end. It's going to help you a lot and consider sharing this video. But subscribe so that when I do my new videos, you'll be one of the first people to see this. So let's talk about smart ways to make money. Very quickly, easy, straight to the point. Like I said before, investing in the GTCO, that's Guaranty Trust Holding Company PLC, Africa's one of the Africa's most capitalized and profitable financial institution. Yes, with full chest. So having a bank account is not just enough. All those bank charges that they take from you, I want you to think of other ways to get that money back. And the very first one I'm going to talk about is owning bank shares, the GTCO bank shares from the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Direct ordinary shares on NGX. Look at the chart. This stock is at a price that is a steal of a century because you may not see this price again. Okay, so you open an account from either Bamboo, Trove, Afri Investor 2.0, Invest Niger, Cowrywise, so many apps so that you can enjoy having the bank shares. Okay. And when you buy, you're getting two things: capital gains and dividends. So let's go back. You are buying this share. Let's say, for instance, you're buying it at 119, and then this stock goes to 200 naira. Do you know how much you have made? Almost 81 naira. Amazing, right? That 81 naira, if you multiply it by the number of shares you have, you will see crazy money. So that's capital gain, your capital gaining. And of course, dividends. When they have made profit and they decide, oh, we want to share this profit with you as our investor because you own shares in this company. And then they decide that, okay, we're going to do this. So they give you dividends. So this year, so far, they have paid 11 naira 76 kobo as their final dividends. But we're waiting for the interim dividends. And who knows, it may be up to 2 naira, 1 naira, whichever amount. But let's say in total, what they're able to pay this year is 13 naira. And you have 10,000 shares. This year alone, you would have made 130,000 naira from dividends. No matter how much they have taken from you from your bank charges, whatever name they call it, this money will be able to take care of that. And if you own up to 100,000 shares, you're talking about 1.3 million. And if you own up to 1 million shares, you're talking about 13 million naira. See, don't panic. Just tell yourself, I'm going to build myself and I'm going to build until I get to this level. So imagine that if every year they pay nothing less than 13 naira and you have up to 1 million shares, you're making 13 million naira from one bank. One bank you own, and when they debit you, you make back the money in multiple ways. So this is your, let's say this is an a prophecy, whatever you call it, an expo, a strategy that I'm telling you to go and start investing. Like I said, it mustn't be GT, but just to open your eyes that if you are using any bank account, you should own their shares. Simple. All right. You can also own direct shares on the London Stock Exchange. Yes, the GTCO also listed in the London Stock Exchange this last year, 2025. And it's important if you're looking at diversification and balance, you can actually acquire these shares through international brokerage apps like Interactive Brokers, Trading 212. People in UK can easily access it, but if you're in Nigeria, you have to get the right app that will give you access to the UK stocks, and then you can have it right in your app, and it's going to give you access to pounds sterling. Okay, so this is good for foreign portfolio management, diaspora investors, or if you're looking to build a dollar denominated equity portfolio. That will give you that right balance. So think of the right apps and think of the balance it's going to give. The next one is the GT mutual funds. Yes, GT have their own mutual fund package. Yes, they have it. They have a diversified approach because they have these amazing managers who are doing an amazing work. I give it to them. So for me, the money market GT money market fund is best for emergency savings and for short-term financial goals. And the minimum is 8,000 naira. You can get access from your app. You can also do this in any other account, like I told you. Using GT is just for a case study, but think beyond GT. Think of either ways you can actually leverage on this opportunity. So the money market targets treasury bills, short-term investments that can give you money in 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 360 days, 365 and above. So consider that. The next one is their fixed income. The Guaranty Trust fixed income targets investors that are seeking safety of capital, people who are not on the aggressive side, you're on the low um, risk tolerant person. So the minimum for this is 50,000. The returns are not fantastic. I will just tell you. So when you are doing it, just know that people on this arm are people who are looking more on the capital preservation. They don't want their money to reduce. They want their money to still be intact, but with little interest on top, just the same way money market works. So both of them are on capital preservation. The next one is the GT Trust Equity Income Fund. This one targets long term. If you're looking to build long term, this is one place you should be playing your game, because when you look at the banking sector and how GT is well positioned, this fund did over 70% 2025, and this 2026 he has done amazingly well, even though right now it has dropped. If you want to understand more on equity, I think I've done a video on equity mutual fund. I broke it down. I'll probably link it in this video so you can go and watch it. And the minimum investment is 5,000 naira. The next one is the GT balanced fund. Of course, the balance fund is very important with the name balance. If you're looking for both growth and stability, then this is that particular portfolio you can build is diversified into equities, fixed income, and money market instruments. So regular income distribution, it's an amazing place for you to actually put in money. They've been doing, I think they've crossed 35% year to date so far, and I see them doing close to 50%, which is beautiful. It's better than money market fund. So if you want professional asset managers to handle your money and do the bits, so you go and rest, you do the sleep well at night package, this is where you should. Now for GT dollar fund, this is for people who want to have their money in dollar. If you're thinking of sending your children abroad, traveling abroad, doing things, shopping abroad, this is one fund you should have. The minimum is $500. The interest rate is very small, okay, but then it gives you access to US denominated investment. So that ease is there when you want to make any trip, do so many things. You can easily fund your card and you can do a lot when you are out of the country. Now let's talk about another sector where GT also plays a role, the index fund. When you think of the ETFs, for example, the NGX 30, Some of them pick GT as one of the strong stocks they use as their top 30. In the NGX banking index, the ETF index, GT is also there because this is one stock you cannot overlook. You cannot at all. And of course, the minimum investment is 1,000 naira. So you can buy and have exposure to this stock through the ETF. So look out for the ETF that have this stock as part of their combo, and you can buy the sector. So you don't longer own just GT, but you own the entire sector. And that one is very sweet. These ones can give you 100% return, crazy investment, beautiful, but you have to give it time. So I hope you have seen all the breakdown that I've given to us now. Like I said, I'm only using GT, but it doesn't mean that you cannot check through your own bank. So go to your own bank, check through your own bank and see if you have these exposures. Because from the app alone, you can get access to all these things. Same like Stanbic, you can get access to their mutual funds, you can get access to buying shares, and of course, every other thing that they offer. So make sure you go do your own research, check the bank you're using. You can still use GT even if even if you don't own GT account. So I'm just telling you that find ways to make the money that they are taking from you from the bank charges so that you can recoup this money in multiple folds. So if you're getting started in investing and you need proper guidance, come on and join our community because this is one of the best times to invest in to actually start investing your money or breaking down your money into different portfolio assets. So you can join our 9.0 because we have just four slots to go. Just four slots to go, and you're going to enjoy being in that community. You're going to learn how to make your money work for you. You learn, you practice, you earn. Even if you don't join this community, join another good community. There's so many amazing communities out there, but make sure when you join, you learn and you make good money. And if you love to join us, you can send me a mail. See the email on the screen. You can also make payments using the payment link in the description of this particular video. You would see the description: 65,000 naira 1 year access, and your life will not be the same again. It's time for you to make sure you end this year with a bang. Did you hear me? Yes. So moving forward, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you share this video to someone. There are many people who do not understand that owning a bank shares, you can also make your money back. Look at this video as how to make your money back. How to make my money back from my bank deductions. That's the idea of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, share this video, like, and of course, I'll see you in the next video.